Fine, everybody. So we are going to start a role play. Actually, we have already learned present indefinite, and this role play is going to prove whether the guys are able to speak some sentences as per the situation or not. So here we go. So the role play is about how you welcome your guest if any guest comes to you. So we have a servant, we have an owner of the house, and of course a guest. Let's get started. First, we'll start with Adarsh and Ramesh, right?
Surendra,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No, first, okay, owner. Yeah, Surendra is the owner, and who is the servant? Adarsh is playing the character of a servant.
Yes.
Others.
Yeah, they both are performing first, and then suddenly guest comes. Okay, sorry, action.
Knock, knock.
Good morning, sir.
Others, good morning. Others,
Good morning. How are you, sir?
I am fine. Someone is knocking door.
No.
Look
First,
at the door.
first talk about like servant has to talk about the salary
Ah,
increment and all.
yes, yes.
Talk.
Sell.
ओके फिर से करते हैं स्टार्ट
Hmm.
अभी थोड़ा देर के बाद आएंगे भैया रमेश भैया नॉक नॉक
Yeah, yeah, right.
सुरेंद्र सर
Yes, sir. Yes, others.
हाउ आर
Tell
यू
me.
सर
I am fine.
ओके
Okay, go ahead. Servant, you speak your sentences like whatever in your head.
यस सर सर आई एम नाउ इट्स एरा ऑफ इन्फ्लेशन सर सर प्लीज इंक्रीज माय सैलरी
Why do you want to increase your salary?
सर आई नाउ इट्स एरा ऑफ इन्फ्लेशन सर दैट्स व्हाई आई थिंक एवरीथिंग इज हाइक प्राइस
Um, I know you. I know very well. You don't need to any money.
व्हाट सर
I know very well. You don't need to money.
Means you don't need money. मतलब तुम्हें पैसों की जरूरत नहीं है ऐसा कुछ.
no no
Yeah.
sir I need money. Actually, sir, my son suffering from typhoid.
I came to know some reliable sources. Your son is not ill.
No, sir, I don't tell a lie.
I know you are telling a lie to me.
चलो suddenly somebody rings the
Okay.
doorbell.
Knock, knock. Ring, ring. Knock, knock.
Now owner has to ask servant to open the door.
Others, someone is knocking the door. Look at the door. Who is coming?
Yes, sir, I go. I go. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Hello,
Yeah.
who are you, sir?
Hello, sir. Yeah, I am Ramesh, and I am the friend of Surendra. Is Surendra is at the home?
Yes, sir. Surendra sir is at the home.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay.
please stay here. I will inform him.
Okay.
Others,
Surendra sir,
who is on the door? At the door.
sir. There is one guy and his name is Ramesh, sir, and he told me that he is your best friend, sir.
Ramesh.
Yes, sir.
Ask to him where he live.
Don't say ask to him. To is wrong. Ask him. Ask
Ask
him
him.
where he lives.
Ask where he lives. Others ask him where he lives.
What, sir?
Ask him where he lives.
पूछिए कहाँ रहता है वो जो गेस्ट है.
Okay, sir. Ramesh, sir, where do you
Yeah, hello.
where do you
Okay.
live?
Actually, yeah. I live in Pune. Okay, and
Okay, sir.
I come here because I have some work. Okay, and I know that Surendra sir is my friend, so he's living here, so I came here. Okay.
I want
Okay,
to
okay,
meet
sir.
him.
Yeah, I want to meet
Yes.
him. Okay, that's why.
Surendra, sir, he told that he lives in Pune and he is your best friend.
Okay. I know him too very well. Let him come inside.
Hmm.
Others.
Okay. Ramesh sir, please come inside.
कभी भी आदर्श ही टोल्ड
Okay,
दैट
thank
नहीं
you.
बोलते, या तो ही सेड दैट कहते हैं या
Told.
ही टोल्ड मी दैट कहते हैं, खाली अकेला टोल्ड नहीं
Okay,
आता।
sir.
चल,
Ramesh sir, please inside.
कम इनसाइड।
Okay, thank you.
Come inside. Please sit, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Surendra. Hello. Yeah,
Ramesh,
thank you. Yeah, hello,
Ramesh,
Surendra. How are you?
I am fine. Welcome to my home. Welcome
Yeah,
my
thank you,
home.
sir.
Ramesh,
वेलकम टू
long
लगेगा
Thank you,
ना,
time.
वेलकम
Surendra.
टू माय होम, टू सही है।
Welcome to my home.
Yeah. So, how are you, Surendra?
I am fine and fantastic. What about you?
Yeah, I am also doing well.
Uh,
So, what are you doing nowadays?
uh,
I, 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 I heard about you. You are a like a successful businessman in the city. Yeah. What
yeah,
about you?
I have just started a business which is growing up.
Okay.
Sorry
Yeah, yeah,
for sorry, Ramesh sir and Surendra sir disturbing. What
yeah.
would you like to, sir? Tea or a coffee?
व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू हैव, हैव,
Uh,
हैव।
What would you like to have, sir? Tea or a coffee?
yeah. Yeah, yeah. I like one cup of coffee.
And Surendra sir, you?
Uh, I will take tea.
Okay, sir.
ओके, रमेश हैज टू मेक कॉफी एंड टी बोथ है, आदर्श हैज टू मेक है, आदर्श हैज टू मेक, ओके।
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Ramesh,
Yeah,
long time,
Surendra. Okay.
huh,
Yeah.
long time no see, guys. What
Yeah, yeah.
happened?
Yes. Yes, Surendra.
डोंट से गाइस, इज जस्ट
Yeah,
वन
actually.
पर्सन, सो यू कैन नॉट से गाइस टू हिम।
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Buddy, you can say, hey buddy, long
Uh,
time no see.
Buddy.
yeah, Surendra. Actually, I am working. I was working in an IT company. So, and I have been working in an IT company for last 3 years.
So I
Okay,
was
and
busy.
then recently, yeah, that's why I was busy. And actually, recently, in last month, I resigned from the work. And I want to started a startup business. Okay, that's why I come to you
Mhm.
to give to get some advice from you.
So,
Ramesh sir, so Ramesh sir, this is your coffee. And Surendra sir, how
Yeah,
much
yeah.
do you
Thank
take
you.
sugar in tea?
I will only 2 spoon tea.
2 spoon
I
sugar.
will take
Okay,
one
sir.
sugar. Ramesh sir,
Okay, sir.
why don't you left the job?
मतलब क्या कहना है, एक
Actually,
मिनट में कहना क्या है, छोड़ क्यों दिया कि छोड़ना क्यों चाहते हो क्या?
Why do you want to leave job?
वो तो छोड़ दिया आई थिंक।
नहीं सर
अच्छा छोड़ दिया है। हाँ,
मैंने छोड़ दिया हूँ तो
तो
अच्छा
आप
छोड़ दिया
फिर
है।
बोलो व्हाई डिड यू लीव द जॉब, व्हाई डिड यू, सिचुएशन
हाँ,
ये है।
why why did you leave the job?
yeah, actually there was lots of load in job in work. Okay, that's why I left the job. And uh, now I am going to start a startup business.
ठीक है, अब
Planning to start.
ठीक है, इतना कॉन्वर्सेशन काफ़ी है, आप थोड़ा घर वर दिखाइए
Ramesh
और
sir, this is your tea.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. Sorry.
कॉफ़ी।
And sorry, Surendra sir, this is your tea.
Uh,
Please take it.
Ramesh, which type business do you want
Yeah.
to start?
Actually, I want to sell the IT appliances, and that's
Okay, okay. And how is your family member?
yeah. All are well.
फैमिली मेंबर अगर
Uh,
ज़्यादा है तो हाउ आर योर फैमिली मेंबर्स, ऐसे बोलें।
How are, how are your family members?
yeah, they are well. Uh, okay, Surendra. Tell me one thing. Where is your wife? I I did- I have not seen.
Oh, actually, I forget to tell you.
ओ
Uh,
गॉड।
s-
Okay.
I forgot to tell you. Uh,
Okay.
she is in job. She's a
Okay.
she's a teacher.
Okay. That's great. Yeah. Okay. You're lucky. So you have like
Working
yeah, you
wife.
have a
Surendra sir,
working
what all
wife.
do you eat in your breakfast, sir?
Others, do one thing, make some poha and jalebi for us.
Okay, sir.
Jalebi. He's able to make jalebi.
Jalebi.
ओके फाइन गाइज, अब यहाँ पे स्टॉप करते हैं, विदा लीजिए। रमेश बाबू विदा लीजिए, बोले कि ठीक है यार चलता हूँ खाने के
Thank you,
लिए।
Yeah.
sir.
Okay. Okay, Surendra. Actually, I have some work, so I want to go. Okay. See you later. Okay, I will
O-
come again.
Okay, do
Okay,
come,
okay,
Ramesh.
Surendra. Bye.
Do come,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah. Sure, 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 sure. Okay. Okay, others.
Bye.
Bye.
Surendra sir, yes, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, Ramesh sir.
Yeah, yeah. Others. Bye. Okay. Yeah,
Yes,
Surendra
sir.
sir. Actually,
Okay,
you
bye, sir.
have you have a great servant. Okay. He served very well. He's serving
Yes.
very well.
Yes, others is very honest servant and he perfect in all the things. He makes a delicious food for us.
Okay.
Surendra sir,
Okay,
how can
Surendra.
I make
It
jalebi?
is the
Because
Do you want to
s-
take him your home?
sugar cane is not enough.
Ramesh, do you want to take him your home? Others?
yeah, of course. Why not?
गुड गुड गुड। सी द
Yeah.
फीडबैक इज एज पर सिचुएशन, आप लोगों ने अच्छी कोशिश की। कहीं कहीं ग्रामर एरर हो रहा था, कभी टू एक्स्ट्रा है, कभी कुछ हो रहा है।
Yes, sir.
और अगर कहीं पर हमें वांट लगाना है आदर कि आप क्या लेना चाहते हैं, तो हाँ वांट अगर ज़रूरत है तो लगा दो, ठीक है।
Hmm.
Yes.
Yes.
बाकी ठीक गया है, और रमेश का सही था, कोई नहीं।
So thank you.
तो
Sir.
अभी आप लोग टर्न ऑफ मत कीजिए, ऑडियंस बन के देखिए। अब अगला अगले
Okay.
लोग आएंगे तो जनता बनकर देखिए, पब्लिक
Yes, sir.
Okay,
स्पीकिंग।
sir.
हाँ, सो
Yes, sir.
एनीबॉडी, और तीन लोग।
Sir, I am ready here, sir.
Sam ready.
अशोक एंड जस्ट अ मिनट,
Manoj.
Sir, I'm also.
ओके ओके। तो देखते हैं पहले तीन लोग कौन है। अशोक, यू वांना कम?
Yes, sir.
ओके, एंड मनोज एंड दीपाली।
Yes, sir.
दीपाली, okay, let's get started. Dipali,
Sir,
are you the honor guest or Sakubai? Who?
honor.
Honor. Okay, she's the honor. Yes, Manoj and Ashok, decide now. Who will be the guest and who is going to
I am
be?
the guest.
You are the guest. तो फिर अशोक के लिए तो ऑप्शन ही नहीं बचता है।
Yes, sir.
चलेगा ना?
No doubt.
चलेगा।
Yeah. Yes.
Okay then, here we go. Let's get started.
Hello, sir.
Uh, Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm quite well.
Why do you come late today?
Ma'am, I came today late because I had some work in my house. So I came today late.
But you didn't inform me yesterday because today some guests will be come our home. So I already told you. Please comes on time.
Come on time. Come on time. Will
Come
come.
Yeah.
on time.
Will come. Guest will come.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. It is my mistake, but that was very urgent. So I could not come on time. So sorry for that.
Okay. Okay. Just go into the kitchen and check whether all the stuffs is present are present or not. Otherwise, go to the market and bring the required stuffs.
Okay, ma'am. I am going. Ma'am, there is sort of coriander, sugar, pulses, flour. Uh, this much gradient is not available in our kitchen.
Okay. Okay. First, make the cup of tea and then go to the market. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, suddenly
Uh,
knocking sound.
here is, ma'am, here is your a cup of tea.
Okay. Thank you, Achal.
Chalo, knock knock.
Ma'am, now give me, ma'am, now give me some amount so that I can, so that I could go to market and get some essential items.
Okay. How much money do you want?
Uh, uh, 2000.
ठीक है, आ जाओ, ज्यादा वक्त
What?
नहीं, आइए। मेहमान
2000, ma'am.
अरे दरवाजा नॉक करो भाई, मेहमान।
Okay.
Not anyone?
Ashok, please check someone knocking the door. Please check who is at the door.
Of course, ma'am. I'm going. Yes, sir. Who are you?
Hello. Is this Dipali's house?
Sorry.
Yeah,
Hello.
yeah, it is.
Yes. I'm her friend. My name is Manoj.
Okay, okay. Let me ask. Someone is standing. I will tell my ma'am. So let me ask her. Ma'am, someone is at the door who is saying he is your friend. May I let him
What's
come?
his name? And what's
Manoj.
his name?
His name is
Okay,
Manoj.
okay. Let him inside.
Okay, ma'am.
Let him come inside. Let him, yeah, let him.
Okay, okay, sir.
Let him come.
You okay, sir? You please come in.
Okay. Hello, Dipali. How are you?
I am fine, Manoj. How are you?
I'm also fine.
How do you come here? Means you
Because
not inform me before.
no. I have to work here, so I don't. I think there is my friend live here, so I thought go to meet my friend.
Excuse me, ma'am. Would your friend like to have anything?
Yes.
I would like to
What
take
will you
one cup
like
of
to
coffee.
have, Manoj?
I would
Drink?
like to have one cup of coffee.
Okay, well.
And you, ma'am?
Okay. I'm also taking the coffee. You just go and bring one glass of water and then you make a tea.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Then tell me, Dipali, how is the day? How was the day today? Yours?
Today my day is now going 8. And what about your family?
My family member is also good. And where is your husband?
My husband has gone to his office.
And where is your
So
son?
my son also has gone to school. And
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here it
are you
is.
married?
No.
Yes, sir.
I'm still not married.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Where
Here
are
is
you
a glass
working
of
right
water.
now?
नौकर
Yes.
नौकर
Thank
की
you,
सुनो
Ashok.
भाई, नौकर की सुनो।
Excuse me, ma'am. Here is a glass of water.
Glass of water.
Yes.
Yes.
So,
Now what?
Manoj, what will you have? What, Ashok?
Sorry. What did
Manoj,
you
what
say?
will you like to have in breakfast?
I would like to have omelette and some bread.
अरे मेहमान हो, थोड़ा मना करना सीखो, बोलो नहीं नहीं।
Okay. Okay, I don't have to eat anything because I have already breakfast.
I have already had, पहले मैंने कर लिया नाश्ता।
I have already had breakfast.
But I think you should have to take a light breakfast because you come my home at first time.
You have come to my house, sir.
You have come my home at first time.
No. I have to work. And I have to work here, so I have to leave as soon as possible. I will had. I
Ma'am,
will.
excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. I asked you 2,000 money to buy something, so I need for that. You please give me. I'm going to market to bring some vegetables and some goods.
Okay. Let me give some times. I will give you. Whenever Manoj will go to, then I will give you money. Okay.
When
Okay.
Manoj when Manoj goes, हम जब when लगाते हैं उसमें will नहीं लगाते. When Manoj goes, then I will give you. ऐसे.
Okay. Okay.
ठीक
Okay,
है.
Dipali, your house is very nice.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, will you show
Thank
me your
you.
house?
Will you show me?
Yeah. Yeah. Come from this side. This is my kitchen, and this is a bedroom, and this is hall.
And your kitchen space is very good. How much is it is?
Its cost is 85 lakh.
Okay, 85,000.
Lakhs.
Excuse me, ma'am. It's getting late. It's rainy season, so I would be in problem. So would you please give me money?
Manoj, but why do you want to 2,000 rupees for the vegetables and all these things? You are not purchasing. You are not purchasing whole market. You just want to purchase some things.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
I will give you only 500 rupees, and you buy some stuff.
Ma'am, nowadays price has hiked, so I was asking to you.
Oh, Kapla.
No, but it's to be the 2,000 rupees is so big, so I can't give you 2,000 rupees.
Last time, whenever you had given me 500 money, that time the goods was very less or very little. So this time I'm asking you 2,000 money.
2,000 rupees.
Okay, Baba, you can't listen me, so give this 2,000 rupees and go to market.
Listen के साथ to लगाया करें. Listen to me.
Okay, listen to me.
ठीक है
Okay.
अब विदा लो भाई. मेहमान कब तक किसी घर में रहना है? विदा लीजिए.
Okay, Dipali, I have to work, so I want to go now.
Okay. Nice to meet you, Manoj. Please come next time for taking more time.
Yes, yes. Thank you.
Okay.
गुड वन. अच्छा है. अच्छा बोला आप लोग.
Bye,
Thank you.
guys. Thank you, sir.
Thank you for having conversation.
अच्छा कर रहे हैं आप लोग. वेरी गुड. सिचुएशन पे यूज कर रहे थे जो जो चाहिए था. अच्छा. और कोई एनीबॉडी?
Sir, now I would like to play any role.
प्लीज कम. What do you want to play? Tell me.
Any role.
Any role.
Let
सर
other
मैं
one
गेस्ट
decide
का
what
रोल
they want
करूंगी
to play.
गेस्ट
And is there any other lady looking good? Babita? Babita, what do you want to play?
यस सर
Guest? Role?
गेस्ट सर गेस्ट
Guest.
यस
She is a guest. And Seema is the owner. And we need one Ramu Kaka or maybe Sakku Bhai. So if there is any, please come. Welcome.
सर
सर मुझे
आदर्श को
करना है
निभा दो
लेकिन
हमारा
बट ओके
Jayashree wants to do it. Jayashree, come. Turn your.
बट आई कांट कम ऑन कैमरा सो फॉर टुडे
नहीं फिर कहाँ ये कैमरे वाला प्रोग्राम है. ठीक है.
ओके
आदर्श को एक और मौका देते हैं. आदर्श आ जाओ. आदर्श को एक मौका देते
May I, sir?
हैं. अभी आदर्श को
ये
बुलाते
तो मैं तो यूनिवर्सल नौकर बन गया.
हैं. चलो गाइस पहले
सर
बता
अब की
दो.
बार मैं गेस्ट.
नहीं गेस्ट इस बार वो है ना. कौन है? बबीता. बबीता गेस्ट है. नहीं बबीता गेस्ट है.
Babita guess I am owner and you are
हाँ
survivor.
आदर्श को मौका मिल रहा है. सैलरी बढ़ेगी इस बार. सैलरी बढ़ेगी. व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग गाइस, व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग इज कि अगर आपको परफॉर्म करना है और आपको एक दिन पहले बताया जाता है कि कल आपको परफॉर्म करना है, तो आपको सुबह जल्दी उठना है, मुंह पे पानी मारना है, कैमरे के लिए तैयार रहना है. डरना नहीं है. कैसे परफॉर्म करोगे? कैसे इंग्लिश में आप कॉन्फिडेंस बनोगे, कॉन्फिडेंट रहोगे? चलिए आइए एक्शन.
नॉक नॉक. सीमा मैम.
अच्छा.
Oh, Adarsh, why do you late so late today?
Why are you so late today?
Why are you so late today?
Ma'am, because it's due to traffic, ma'am.
You always give me false reason for having late.
to
No, ma'am, it's true, ma'am. It's true.
Okay. Let it keep aside. Go into kitchen and make a cup of tea for me.
Okay, ma'am. Tak, tak, tak. Now I'm kitchen. Ma'am, how much sugar do you take in tea? In your tea?
Don't you know, Adarsh? I don't want sugar in the tea.
Okay, sorry, ma'am.
ठीक है। इस बार मालकिन अपने मन से सैलरी
Adarsh,
बढ़ाएगी, अपने मन से बढ़ा देगी। अच्छा लड़का है आदर्श।
Mm-hmm.
बुलाइए।
Adarsh,
Ma'am, this is your coffee.
Adarsh. Okay, I'm taking coffee.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, Adarsh, you did very great job. I like your
Thanks, ma'am.
coffee.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, I would like to
Please
increase
increase
yours.
my salary, ma'am.
Now you're doing job by you are doing you are making all things in a good way. So I would like to increase your salary, but I'm not going to increase your salary very much. I would increase only 500 rupees in this month. In coming Diwali, I would increase your salary again. So
Okay, ma'am.
yes.
As
So
you
also
like it.
please make some breakfast for me. Please make a sandwich for me in the breakfast.
ओके, सडनली
What all do you take? What all do you want to
No,
in your
knock, knock,
breakfast, ma'am?
बस
knock,
मेहमान
knock.
मेहमान मेहमान हाँ।
Okay.
Adarsh,
Knock, knock.
please look. Please see who is at the door.
Yes, ma'am. I go. Hello, ma'am. Who are you?
Hello. Sir, I am Babita and I want to meet Seema and Seema is at home.
Yes, ma'am. She is at home. Please stay here, ma'am. I will inform her. Seema, ma'am.
Okay.
Seema, ma'am.
Yes, Adarsh. Who is at the door?
Someone is someone is knocking the door, and she is a lady, and her name is. He told me. Sorry. He told me her name is Babita, ma'am.
Oh, Babita. Let her come inside.
Okay. Okay. Please, Babita, ma'am. Come inside.
Okay. Hello, Seema. How are you?
Oh, what a pleasant surprise, Babita. Where are you? It has been so long. I can't see you. I have not seen you.
नोट सी
Sorry.
Oh, um,
How are you, Babita?
I am fine. And what about you?
I'm also good. And how is your daughter?
She is very fine. She is very good.
Hmm. With whom do you come here?
हैव यू
No,
कम हैव यू कम हाँ।
Acha, with whom have you come here?
लेकिन वो तो आपके घर अकेले आई है ना, अकेले आई है ना।
I come here alone.
No,
Oh, sorry for
I
disturbance, Babita ma'am and Seema ma'am. What would you like to tea or a
लेकिन वो
coffee?
सेंटेंस क्या पूछना था सीमा, क्या पूछना था वो, क्या था वो उसका?
ऐसे तो मुझे
Babita
लगा कि
ma'am,
वो
tea or a
सिटी में किसी के साथ आई है और घर पे
शहर में है,
सिर्फ
शहर
अकेले
में।
आई है।
नहीं तो
ऐसा
फिर ऐसा बोल दो
ऐसे
कि आर यू
मुझे
लिविंग विद समवन, मतलब अभी तो वो आपके घर आई है, तो वो जहाँ रहती है वहाँ अकेले आई है, ऐसा पूछना है।
अच्छा हाँ हाँ हाँ
तो ऐसा
ओके
Babita ma'am,
अंडरस्टूड।
what would you like to tea or a coffee?
No, I don't want anything. Please give me a one glass of water.
Okay,
No,
ma'am. And
Babita,
Seema ma'am, you?
you no, Babita, you must have to take something because you have come here in my house first time. So I will not
O-
let you
लेट यू गो विदाउट
for
हैविंग एनीथिंग।
taking anything.
o- Okay, I would like to have coffee.
Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Adarsh, please make a cup of coffee for Babita ma'am. For
Okay,
Babita.
Seema ma'am. Okay.
आदर्श,
Others,
कॉफी
please,
कॉफी के दो चार ऑप्शन दो
could
ना।
you could you give me a glass of water?
सर ऑप्शन है ही नहीं मेरे पास तो।
ओके, पानी दे देते हैं, पानी।
हाँ, पानी दे देते हैं इनको भी।
Others, could you give me a glass of water?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Please take it, ma'am. Vita, ma'am.
Okay,
This is your water.
okay. Seema, what is this? What is this, Seema? The glass
What?
is not clean.
Others?
Yes,
Yesterday I
ma'am.
praised you and you are doing again mistakes. That's not good, Others. I am
Ma'am,
trusting
I
on you
did.
and you.
Ma'am, I did. But how, Babita, ma'am? Please show me your glass.
Yes, yes.
I will check.
Take it.
Sorry,
There is
ma'am.
something.
That is.
But no,
It's
you mean
my fault,
Others?
ma'am.
You mean Babita is telling lie?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
अरे ग्लास का रंग ही वैसा है।
Don't don't be a don't be a such a rude with my guest, Others. You must be polite with my guest.
Seema is
Yes,
your
ma'am.
he is your new servant.
No, Babita, he has been working for 10 years in my house, but he is a childish. He always does small mistakes. I need to I need to always tell him, Adarsh, do this in good way and
Babita, ma'am.
all. But
Babita, ma'am. I changed your glass.
I have to check.
Okay, okay.
Adarsh,
Yes, ma'am.
Adarsh, please
Yes,
make
ma'am.
some sweet in the in today's lunch, and make
Okay, ma'am.
some dishes. Uh, some extra dishes for Babita. I would
No,
not
no,
let
no, no,
her
Seema. I don't
to
want anything.
go.
Please, please, please.
No, Babita, you must have to do lunch today in my house
एक लाख।
because
No,
you have come
I have
after a
some
long
important
time
work.
in my house. And
No,
huh?
Seema, please. I have some important work, so I can't. I
So
don't have any
you
lunch. Please.
in all 365 days you are doing work, and a single day after a long time you have come to my house and you are telling me that I have work. That's not good, Babita. You are my best friend.
I come here. I because I want to see your house because I build a new house. So I want to see your house.
Yeah.
Many people
Yes,
told
yes, I
me
will.
your house is very very beautiful. So that's why um, I want to see your house.
I will show you my house. Adarsh is very fast in his work. He will finish lunch within half an hour. And in between, I will show my whole house, my garden, and all things to you. And then after we will do lunch together. Then I would not stop you for to go.
Okay,
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 Babita.
okay, okay.
Okay, Adarsh, hurry up
Yes,
and
ma'am.
make some sweet and good dishes in the lunch.
Okay, ma'am.
During I during I will show Babita.
During no,
Can I
meanwhile,
see
Show
your house?
Babita.
meanwhile.
Can I see your house, Seema?
Meanwhile, yes. Come inside. See, this is my bedroom, and this is my husband's office room, and these flowers was planted by my father-in-law, and my mother-in-law uh, uh, takes care of it. And yes, my daughter also like different color flowers, so I always try to purchase some different types of plants and try to grow them.
Okay, your
Uh,
house is very
my
beautiful.
house
How much money did you spend on it?
Seema, ma'am. I'm confused. What would you like to in
actually,
your break time and to say that in sweets? I'm talking about in sweet.
what are We are talking about sweet. I think kheer will do best because it take a little time, and yes, Babita is also fan of kheer. I know in our college days she would always like to have kheer.
No, Seema,
So please make
I had
kheer.
already breakfast, so and I have some work, so don't do anything. So please.
Babita, you must try the kheer made by others. If you try kheer made by others, you will never get such a taste anywhere.
Okay, I will try. I will try. Okay.
Shima ma'am, there is no milk. How can I prepare plum pudding? Pudding. Sorry, pudding.
Wait, others. I'm making online order. He will deliver milk within 5 to 10 minutes. Okay?
Good.
Okay,
Don't worry. Uh,
okay,
Meanwhile,
ma'am.
other.
Hello.
Okay. And Babita, tell me about your husband. How is that? How is he?
He is very good.
Okay.
ठीक है, टाइम कम है अब,
My
How is your daughter, Seema?
टाइम कम है.
Now I have to.
okay, sir.
I have some important work, Seema. Now I have to go.
Yes, madam. Thanks for coming to my house.
Okay.
Please do come to my house again.
Yes. Thank you. And you also come
Bye,
in my
Pamita
house.
ma'am. Bye,
Okay.
bye, Pamita ma'am.
Bye. Bye,
Bye.
Adarsh, Seema.
Bye.
Bye.
बहुत बढ़िया, सो नाइस. अच्छा किया आपने, बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है, बिल्कुल
Thank
एकदम
you, sir.
रियल लग रहा था. अच्छा,
Thank you, sir.
गुड मैन, सो नाइस. फाइन गाइस. और कोई, एनीबॉडी?
सर अभी मुझे गेस्ट बनाइए.
हाँ, देखते हैं. कोई आने में थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा.
रमेश भाई आप, दीपाली दीदी आप,
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready.
नहीं नहीं, आदर्श जी आप
आइए
रुकिए, आदर्श
आइए
जी
अभी
बनूंगा
अभी.
मैं। अच्छा, आई विल बी समथिंग, आई विल बी समवन।
अच्छा,
अब नौकर बन लेना अगले में.
नहीं अभी टाइम नहीं है ना, आप 2 बार बन चुके हो।
अभी
Yeah.
अच्छा.
व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग कि
या
जो जिन लोगों ने पार्टिसिपेट नहीं किया है वो क्यों नहीं कर रहे, मतलब कैमरे के डर से नहीं कर रहे हैं कि डर लग रहा है कि यार यार क्या बोलेंगे.
सर नो सर, ऐसा नहीं है कैमरे के डर से, लेकिन अभी नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन 2 दिन बाद में मतलब कर सकते हैं. अभी
तो जिन
कुछ
लोगों ने
इशू
नहीं किया है पहले वो सामने आइए ना.
मैं एक आइडिया देना चाहती हूँ अदर मेंबर्स को. अपना कैमरा ऑन करके अदर लोगों को सुनो, तब तक कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाएगा. बाद में आप ऑटोमेटिक बात कर लोगे.
और नहीं तो एक कोरोना में एक आता था ना मास्क, वो मास्क यहाँ तक पहन लीजिए, आइए, क्या दिक्कत है.
नो सर.
एक मिनट, जिनका नहीं हुआ है
सर
पहले वो आइएगा अगर वो पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहते हैं, नहीं तो फिर मैं रिपीट करूँगा. मैं पूरा
यस
तो पूनम को आना है, पूनम, क्योंकि सबको परफॉर्म करना है. आ जाओ पूनम. और ये क्या, एक और नाम आ रहा है, क्या है, एन, क्या है, मैं तो पढ़ ही नहीं पा रहा हूँ.
एनजीओ लाइफ से
एनजीओ लाइफ. व्हाट इज योर नेम? मनोज, क्या कहते
सूरज सर, सूरज
हैं? सूरज. अच्छा, चलिए सूरज. पूनम आना है आपको, पूनम
यस सर।
आ जाओ, कैमरा ऑन करो. बताओ क्या बनना है, पूनम को क्या बनना है? और
आई एम द ऑनर।
याद आना, ये पूनम याद आना, गुड वन. तो पूनम ऑनर है. और
बताइए।
हाँ, सूरज को क्या बनना है? सूरज बताओ. गेस्ट बनना है, गेस्ट बनना है. साउंड की प्रॉब्लम, सर्वेंट बनना है. तो और कोई जिन्होंने पार्टिसिपेट नहीं किया उनमें से कोई आना चाहेगा? जिन्होंने नहीं किया पार्टिसिपेट, एनीबॉडी? कोई नहीं.
सर यहाँ 7
मैं करूँ, बट क्या है
करो, ऑन करो, बिना कैमरा ऑन के थोड़ी होगा।
ओके,
करो।
नहीं कर सकती तो
ठीक है।
मैं मंडे से कर लूंगी।
हाँ तो फिलहाल इंतजार करो, अभी तो चांस नहीं मिला। ठीक है।
ओके।
और एनीबॉडी?
So 7 others are there, sir.
But they are not interested in coming. ठीक है तो
Sir, I have problems, so that's why I
कोई बात नहीं,
don't come.
नेक्स्ट टाइम आ जाएगा। चलो तो अशोक आपको करना है।
मैं लास्ट टाइम सर आई वाज सर सर्वेंट।
तो अभी गेस्ट बन जाओ, ठीक है, आ जाओ। चलो
ओके, आई एम गेस्ट नाउ।
चल एक्शन। अच्छा
Ramu, where are you?
सूरज आपको बुला रही है।
Ramu,
अरे सूरज बोल तो रामू को सुनने में अजीब लग रहा है।
Ramu,
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम, आई एम इन माय होम
where are you? I'm searching for a long time.
बिकॉज मैम आई हैव सम प्रॉब्लम इन माय होम, दैट्स व्हाई आई टूक अ लीव लॉन्ग।
Okay, please make for tea for me.
श्योर मैम। मैम हियर इज योर टी, योर कॉफी।
Thank you. Is there anything?
हाउ मच टेक शुगर यू इन कॉफी, इन योर कॉफी?
How
You
much
don't
sugar
know?
do you take?
I don't like sugar. I always take jaggery powder in coffee.
ओके मैम, आई अंडरस्टैंड। हियर इज योर कॉफी मैम।
Thank you.
Good.
If grocery left, so go to the market and bring some grocery.
चलो, वॉइस नहीं आ रही पूनम की सही से।
कह रही बाजार जाओ और कुछ सामान ले आओ।
ओके मैम, प्लीज गिव मी सम मनी बिकॉज आई डोंट हैव मनी।
Okay, please open my wardrobe and take it 1,000 rupees.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू।
चलो नॉक तभी आते हैं, नॉक आ जाओ।
Ramu, knocking on your door.
ओके मैम, आई विल चेक। Who is outside
in the house?
Hello, excuse me,
Who are you?
excuse me. This is Poonam's friend Ashok.
Okay sir. Ma'am, there is Ashok sir in outside of house.
At the door. Ashok is at the door.
Ashok sir is at the door.
Oh, he is my old friend. Please come in. Let me come in.
Let
Please
him
sir,
come.
come in. Please sir, come inside.
Hi, Ashok. For a long
Hi
time.
Poonam. Hi Poonam. How are you? Long time no see.
Yeah, same here. For a long time, I see you.
Yeah, it's my pleasure to meet you again.
You look good.
Yeah. What are you doing nowadays?
I'm doing nothing these days. I'm managing my home.
Yeah, that's great. Where are your rest families?
Yes, everyone is good. So have a seat. I forget it. Have a seat.
Yeah. Sir, sound नहीं आ रही sir.
बैठने को कह रही है।
Have a seat.
Okay, thank you very much.
Ramu, please come in.
Yes, ma'am.
What would you like, Ashok?
Yeah.
What would you like?
I would like to have a cup of tea.
Okay, Ramu, please cup of tea.
Ma'am, there is no sugar in kitchen.
Okay.
How could I make tea?
Take some money and bring sugar.
Okay, ma'am. Poonam, don't you say you are a servant already to bring already something?
Didn't you say?
You didn't say anything to your servant to collect everything before someone coming?
He is very new. That's why he don't know. That's the reason.
Okay.
So from where are you coming from?
Just I was passing through your house, so that I thought it's a long time. That's why I have come to you.
2 बार from मत लगाना पूनम.
Okay, sir. Okay. So how's your wife?
She is very good.
Okay. So recently I bought that house. Can I show you?
Oh yes, of course. Why not?
Uh, so this is my living room. You can see it.
Yeah, wonderful. Who got your house built?
My husband bought this house. I bought this house is 1 crore.
Oh, wonderful. 1 crore. How much money do you earn?
Excuse me, sir. Excuse ma'am.
My
Sorry
husband.
to disturb you, but here is your coffee and here is your tea, sir.
Thank you, Manoj.
Anything else, ma'am? You want? Answer you?
No. Okay, Ashok, you don't want anything?
Um, uh, Now, yes, I would like to have some coffee.
Coffee. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So Ramu, make coffee.
But ma'am, tea.
Now he's want to drink coffee.
No, last time I had said about tea. Now I need coffee.
Okay, sir, no problem. I will make tea for you.
So this lamp. Okay. I forget it. I show my house. Okay.
Okay. Poonam, what business your husband is running?
Hello.
Yes. Which type of business your husband running?
Does your husband do?
Also, my husband is have a own business, and he's has a coal mine business.
Oh, yes.
Coal mine.
Where does he work?
Huh? Where does he work?
Yeah.
Right now he works in Dubai.
Oh. How often does he come here?
He comes twice a month.
And last time when did he come here?
Last time he yesterday he came.
Okay. And where is your kids? Where are your kids?
Okay. So my both kids are sleeping.
Oh. Do they go to school or not?
They both are going to school.
Which standard are they studying?
My son Ritika, she reads in class 3rd, and my son is in class 2nd.
Who drives to their school?
Sir, here is your coffee and some peanuts.
To school.
Yeah.
ठीक है. सर्वेंट की भी सुनो.
हाँ
Oh,
सर.
yeah.
अरे कॉफी और नमकीन तो दे दी, खाओ यार.
Yes.
Okay.
बस गाइस, बस इससे ज़्यादा नहीं. जाइए भाई, मेहमान साहब जाइए. इससे पहले कि सर्वेंट ही गुस्से में आपको भगा दे.
Okay, Poonam, it's high time. Let me go. I will. I have some work outside, so please allow me to go.
Okay, it's okay.
Okay, sir. Never come again.
Never come again.
Thank you, Suraj bhai. Thank you, Poonam.
Always welcome, bhai.
Okay, sir.
पूनम ने अपने सचमुच के बच्चों का नाम बताया था.
Thanks, sir. I'm not married.
अच्छा, यू आर अनमैरिड. ओके.
Yes, sir.
चलिए, अच्छा था गाइस. चलिए, अब आप लोग कैमरा ऑफ कर सकते हैं.